Hello, I'm Olivier Michel, Chief Commercial Officer for Unseen Labs. We know that 80% of the traffic is done at sea, and we estimate that 80% of this traffic we don't know exactly where the vessels are. So we see that you have a huge lake of data, of information. The traditional monitoring systems have their own limit, and they do not show the real activity at sea in an exhaustive way. So now it's quite difficult today to see the truth of the activity on the area of interest for the actors at seas. So we see that there is no strong needs for real-time information for customer. The challenge is to provide to maritime actors with a new vision of the water, exhaustive, precise, and fast. This is now possible with the satellite technology developed by Unseen Labs. We bring a new type of data to maritime actor and decision maker based on the interception of electromagnetic waves emitted on Earth. The impact of lack of data concerns all the actors who have assets at seas. It could be public or private sector. So we can give some example, the illegal fishing. We estimate that 20% of the fish caught coming from the illegal activities. Illegal fishing decimates marine area and has a human and economic impact. We can talk also about piracy in the recent year, illegal degassing as well. But the lack of data could also concern the private sector. We can talk about the security of the assets, the traffic management. We can talk about the compliance. So we see that, yeah, they could have an impact for everyone. Unseen Labs brings a new type of data based on RF activities, on monitoring RF activities at seas. The new technology and innovative technology allow us to be exhaustive on the area of interest for the customer, be able to cover large areas, but also the technology itself is not impacted by the weather conditions. And finally, and also most important, our data are very complementary with the other data providers to allow us and bring a full knowledge on maritime situation awareness. We can talk about different use cases, for example, on insurance, talking about the compliance and avoid sanction, but we can talk also to the navies to optimize the resources on focusing on dark activities. So Unseen Labs helps maritime actor and decision maker not only react to incidents, but also to anticipate the threat and save money and time. So stay in touch, feel free to reach out for more details and information. Thank you.